to Hypnosis here, and today the video is entitled How to Eliminate Your Pain in 30 seconds or less. Yes, well actually it should be 50 seconds or less. That's more apropos the title. So it's simple. How do we start this video? How I start a lot of these series of videos. If you've got some kind of pain, obviously, hopefully you've consulted your doctor about this before, but we're talking about chronic pain, pain that's been with you for a while and it ain't going anywhere anytime fast, alright? Whether it's back pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, whatever the physical pain, you can even do this with a headache or a migraine, okay? Assess it right now on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. How strong is that pain right now? And all I want you to do now, think about whatever you want to think about, but get your gamut spot. That's a spot between your little knuckle, little finger knuckle, and your ring finger knuckle. It doesn't matter which hand. Take about 3 fingers and just tap in between those spots right there. Now this isn't about distracting you. You can think about whatever the hell you want to think about right now. But I just simply want you to tap this area. Tap it so you feel it. I don't want you to hurt yourself, but you're not just grazing it. You're not just touching it very gently. You're actually giving it a good old tap there. You can tap it about 50 times. And when you've tapped it about 50 times, just stop. And now, check in with yourself. Scale of 1 to 10, now where's that form of pain gone? Has it subsided completely or drastically reduced? Or maybe it's only dropped a couple of beats. It would have done one of those 3 things. Very, very interesting. So you might need to watch this video back a couple of times to do this, to cycle, to develop that new neurological pathway in your brain in order to how to deal with pain, ideally chronic pain. So you shut down that old pathway of experiencing the pain in a way that you have been experiencing it, because all pain's there for a reason. It's telling us something that we need to deal with. So please, if you need to watch this video again to alleviate that pain, do it as many times as you need. It takes 50 seconds or less to drop it down. It's very, very powerful, and these techniques come originally from thought field therapy, but adapted for my purposes with my change work that I do with people. So please like this video, comment on this video, share this video. I make these videos for free. And what inspires me to make these videos is when you like them, when you comment on them and you share on them. It lets me know that my work is getting out there, that people are putting it to good use and are benefiting it. And the way to inspire me to do more is just simply like, comment, share. I've been Luke Michael Howard, clinical hypnotist and owner of Hypnosis, and this has been how to alleviate your pain in 50 seconds or less. Always believe.